We're baking a cake for my 1 year on Tumblr. Okay, what kind should we make? We're making this. Because why not?
Are we really doing this? Oh my god.
These are smaller though.
No, they aren't.
They look smaller.
What else do you need?
Did you get the measuring cup? Yeah.
Wow, we should be like on a cooking channel or something.
Cooking with Ash. Is this a 9-inch one? Is it round?
I don't think it really matters.
Okay. It's like all scratched up. Okay, we got this, yo.
I don't know.
Well, this isn't a lot of cake mix, so. Okay, I am cracking the egg.
No, an egg white. That's not how you do egg whites.
I know how to do egg whites.
Don't do it overnight. Bring it to the sink.
No, it's fine. It's really fine. I got this. See? 1.
It's fine. It's really fine.
2. Wait, we need the little thingy.
I love cracking these.
There, I got it. Ew.
I'm just gonna use a regular cup.
So she had this great idea to just...
You know what? It'll turn out fine. It'll turn out edible.
There you go, man. Look, it turned out. Sorta. Not really.
Okay. So we're doing just blue?
Yeah, Tumblr color. That's crap!
It kind of just went all over. Here.
Okay, let me rinse
Say.
1 year. Holy balls. Yoppy.
Why are these candles out?
Do you like it? The most deformed cake in the world, but whatevs.
Let's just sing it in the
Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, Ashton, joyeux anniversaire.
To Tumblr.
Can I?
Tumblr.
Do I make a wish?
Do it. Why not?
Well, yeah.
What do I wish for?
Ball?
Another successful year of helping people.
Okay.
Wait, no, you have to wish inside your head. No, you have to change it because.
Wait, yeah, change it because then I just.
No, like don't change the whole thing. Just reword it. Then technically that still works.
No, I
right?
got another wish. Okay.
Come on.
Alright, so here it goes. You guys have been there for me through so much for the past year, and I honestly would not be here if it wasn't for you guys. Like, you guys have helped me through the hardest times of my life, and just, you've never left me, and I don't know. I appreciate it, and I don't know what I'd do without you guys. Stay strong and stay positive.